morning, guys. We are staying in a castle. If you haven't watched the previous video, go and check it out. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget subscribe. I travel around the world and I make videos. Right now it's raining. There is nothing else to do right now. I'm going to get changed and work out. After doing some workout, I feel really great. Sun is out now. That's why I got changed and we are going around. What are you doing here? We are traveling all together.
We're in a very important place here. It's the place that belongs to the mythical creature, the Rubezahl, who is the lord of the mountains. It's a folklore. So Rubezahl is this guy you see over there. He's the protector of the land where the castle is built. So the story goes, actually this statue, which is 3.5 meters tall, made out of one piece granite, has been here for over 200 years, and it was made by an unknown sculptor. Rubezahl would disguise himself as a frog, as an old lady, and sometimes you would walk, and if you found him on your path and you were nice to him, he would grant you with wishes and with prosperity. Those who did not treat him well would suffer bad luck. So if you want your wish to come true, you have to hop on one leg 5 times around the statue. If you manage to do that, you go climb up, touch his belt and make a wish. But it has to be a good hearted wish.
Then let's do it.
Let's go.
Let's go and do it. Still I haven't decided what I want to wish, but I'm going to try. And if my wish comes through, I will let you know. I'm going to do it. Yeah. And then let's wish.
He's cheating.
I cheated.
You're cheating. You're cheating.
Okay.
You're completely cheating. You have to climb and touch his belt to make a wish.
Oh. We are taking a random route to hike. This place is so beautiful and they have deer farm, but apparently you can feed them with carrot and apple, but right now they are not hungry and they don't come to us. And so we can play with deer and we are going to take a route and go and hike, and everyone left. It's better to go. This is the apple we were supposed to give to deer, but
Second we are dear. She's dear to us.
since deer didn't want the apple, Elena is it. We just went for a hike and we came back, and deer, they are again hungry like us. And you can see that it's so funny because we were kind of like disappointed. We couldn't see them, but now after a hike we can see them. Thankfully I have my apple and I didn't eat my apple.
Oh, more coming, you gotta give.
Oh my god, you should have it! Oh, he got. Oh my god, I don't have any, sorry. Oh.
You gotta share.
Sharing it means caring, you know?
For them.
You wanna eat my GoPro?
Bless you.
Who is eating my GoPro?
Look at them, there's so many.
They just need my apple. They don't need me. We were up there, but right now we are in the town we got changed and we came to the town. Actually, this town called Mariánské. I don't know if I pronounce it right or not. This town is a really cute town, and we just met our guide, and we found that this town, even though it's in Czech Republic, and this town is popular for it's a spa, but apparently the spa money, everything goes to Hungary, and it belongs to Hungary. And Czech people and also locals, they hope one day they can get rich and they buy the shares and they get the spa back. And the guide asked us to keep the finger crossed, and I do. And this town is so beautiful. I'm going around and I'm going to show you. Guys, do you see the building behind me? It's been empty since 1995. And it's a cute building. Come on guys, someone should buy it, should do something about that. It was a great tour of the town. It's a cute town as you saw. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to end the vlog here, but right now we are going to our castle, actually where we are staying, and we are going to have dinner. And same as always, thanks for watching and see you in next video. We are moving to the other castle in Czech Republic. See you in next video.